They are not running in the park. I am not eating lunch at the moment. He is not watching TV now. We are not playing football today. The baby is not crying anymore. She is not studying for the exam. They are not working this weekend. I am not sleeping right now. He is not listening to music. We are not shopping today. The dog is not barking at strangers. She is not cooking dinner today. They are not swimming in the pool. I am not writing a letter now. He is not reading a book. We are not cleaning the house. She is not drawing a picture. The waiter is not serving food. They are not building a new house. I am not practicing the piano. He is not fixing his car. We are not visiting Grandma today. She is not teaching English now. They are not dancing at the party. The kids are not playing outside. I am not waiting for the bus. He is not exercising at the gym. We are not painting the walls. She is not preparing breakfast. They are not fishing in the lake. I am not helping my friend now. He is not driving to work. We are not laughing at the joke. She is not brushing her hair. The chef is not baking a cake. They are not discussing business. I am not checking my emails. He is not buying groceries now. We are not traveling abroad. She is not talking on the phone. They are not waiting in line. The boss is not giving a speech. I am not preparing for a test. He is not opening the store. We are not making a new plan. She is not organizing the files. They are not wearing jackets. The teacher is not explaining now. I am not running late today. She is not dancing at the party. They are not singing in the concert. I am not running in the park today. He is not eating his lunch yet. We are not watching TV right now. The cat is not jumping on the table. She is not writing a letter now. They are not playing video games. I am not sleeping in the afternoon. He is not reading a novel. We are not traveling this weekend. She is not cooking dinner tonight. They are not swimming in the pool. The dog is not barking at strangers. I am not studying for the test now. He is not cleaning his room today. We are not running late for work. She is not brushing her hair. They are not laughing at the joke. The baby is not crying anymore. I am not listening to music. He is not driving to work today. We are not shopping for groceries. She is not drawing a picture now. They are not building a new house. The chef is not baking a cake. I am not exercising at the gym. He is not repairing the car. We are not fishing at the lake. She is not texting her friend. They are not playing in the garden. The waiter is not serving food. I am not helping my brother now. He is not checking his emails. We are not painting the walls today. She is not talking on the phone. They are not waiting for the bus. The teacher is not explaining the lesson. I am not preparing dinner yet. He is not fixing the broken chair. We are not celebrating a birthday today. She is not organizing her closet. They are not learning a new language. The artist is not sketching a portrait. I am not feeding the dog yet. He is not booking a hotel. We are not walking in the park. She is not decorating the house. They are not discussing the project. The child is not playing with toys.